Let's make some dill pickles, some ranch dill pickles, and some hot cauliflower. Same basic recipe for everything. You're going to need cucumbers, onion, garlic, mustard seed, black peppercorns. You can use bay leaf if you would like. I do and don't. You want to make sure that you cleanse and sanitize your jars and your lids. For your spices, I measure by the heart. It's really up to you. You want to make sure that you chop up your garlic and your onions, and you can either spear, slice, or use your cucumbers whole. You're going to take 1 part white vinegar, 2 parts distilled water, add a little bit of sugar to taste, and boil that. Once it boils, you're going to take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now then, we're going to take that same spices, but we're going to add the ranch dressing to a jar. You're going to, like I said, onion, garlic, all the spices are going to be in there. So once you start packing your pickles in there, you want to make sure they're all packed in there really good. And you can see I added the dry ranch to it. Pickles are packed in there. You're then going to take that brine once it gets to boiling, let it cool down, and you're going to pour it over the pickles. You're going to wipe your jars with white vinegar to get off all the remnants, and you can put the lids, the flat lids and the screw lids, fingertip tight. You can water bath these for 15 minutes in a pot, shelf stable for a year, or you can just put these and not water bath them in the refrigerator, and they're good for a few weeks. The hot cauliflower, all you have to do, same thing, same recipe, just throw some hot peppers, cayenne, jalapeno in there. Believe me, they get spicy, but it's a nice flavor.